Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to activate a Cricut phone from Walmart. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to activate a Cricut phone purchased from Walmart quickly and smoothly. Begin by inserting the SIM card that came with your device before starting activation. If you're using a universal SIM kit, choose the correct size and make sure it's properly secured. Next, have your information ready, including the ICC ID found on the SIM card, your phone's IMEI number, which you can retrieve by dialing this or checking the device's settings, your order number, Cricut phone number, and a valid payment method such as a debit card, credit card, or Cricut refill card. If you're transferring a number, be sure to also have your previous carrier's account number and PIN. Once prepared, open your browser and visit cricutwireless.com/join or cricutwireless.com/activate. Enter the ICC ID and IMEI. Select whether you're a new or existing customer. Choose your plan and number, then sign in or create a Cricut account. Complete your billing details, submit payment, and click Activate to finalize the process. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.